Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.